In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily remove someone on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Snapchat app. Then just tap right here at your profile picture or Bitmoji to head over to your Snapchat profile page. And then scroll down until you find My Friends. That's where we can easily find all our friends on Snapchat. All of them are sorted in alphabetical order, and then we can just go down the list until we find user whom we would like to remove from our friends. We can do so in that way, or we can use search to search for a specific user by their name. And once we find a user whom we would like to remove, all we have to do is just long press on them. After that, hit Manage Friendship and then Remove Friend. It will ask you to confirm this action, then tap Add Remove. As you can see, the user has just been disappeared from My Friends list. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.